Namaskar. Good evening to all the BJP Karyakartas in the state of AP as well as nationwide, and also to all the well-wishers of BJP. Today, I am here to share my views on the recent BJP-TDP Janasena alliance. Let me introduce myself. I am Yelamanchili Prasad, advocate by profession. I am SRUNGAVARAPUKOTA Assembly BJP convener. I am speaking with a heavy heart. The moment we came to know that BJP aligned with TDP Janasena for the forthcoming general elections, morale of all the Karyakartas, BJP Karyakartas, is at nadir, is at almost zero level. When Modi ji, under his premiership, has developed India in leaps and bounds, and he has solved and resolved many outstanding problems which are centuries old, including the recent one, 560-year-old Ram Janmabhoomi. And soon after, Balram's idols were installed all over the country. Everybody is talking about minimum 10% increase in vote share for BJP nationwide. At this juncture, why BJP should align with TDP and Janasena? If you take the past history of the behavior of TDP, when BJP was in alliance, BJP always had a bitter experience. And Chandrababu Naidu, you all know the way he criticized, commented on Modi ji's personal life as well, which is very, very indecent for a politician of that stature. But still, he wanted to and tried to downgrade Narendra Modi ji. You name it, after Godhra riots, when he was Chief Minister of Gujarat, and he was on a visit to Hyderabad, Chandrababu Naidu was in alliance with BJP, and also he made a big announcement that he would arrest Modi ji in Hyderabad, and then he never even gave appointment to Modi ji in Hyderabad. You all know, which we have learned and studied in Standard 1 maybe. United we stand, divided we fall. Regional political parties are a threat to nation's security, integrity and unity. I don't know why we can't assimilate it, why we can't apprehend it. We all know the meaning of it, but it's so difficult to comprehend it. Why? Because I think selfish needs may be one reason. Whatever, Narendra Modi ji is totally against nepotism, means family politics. Politics is not inheritance, unlike the Congress. And this is applicable to all the parties. That's what Narendra Modi ji has been repeatedly saying. But unfortunately, today we have aligned with a political party, TDP and Janasena, wherein one political party will probably have about five MLA and MPs included. Where are we heading? And Modi ji has seen that OBC has attained and he accorded constitutional status. OBC voters form about 55 to 56% of the total electorate. When majority wins, why not majority from OBC community? About 142 castes are there. And our Prime Minister, Modi ji, also belongs to one of the OBC. And we all thought, and he has also declared in the past, that there would be more political representation from OBC community. And not only in words, in deeds, he has demonstrated and appointed several ministers, MPs in northern part of India as ministers, MPs and MLAs. For some reason or other, politicians from Andhra Pradesh are not cooperating or giving him, a picture which the common Karyakarta cannot understand, which Modi ji probably has no way to cross check. I don't know the reasons. Everything is a guessing game. But at the same time, having all said and done, he is totally against nepotism. He is a politician who has not amassed personal wealth. If you look at other politicians, many of them from other parties have amassed wealth, personal wealth, left, right, and center. We have to give credit to such a prime minister. And he is a very popular, renowned, respected prime minister all over the world. Continuously for the past 3-4 years, he remained number one. That too not by our Indian journalists. It's by the developed countries like Australia, UK, America, Russia. If there is a global problem, they all look up to Modi ji for his suggestion and solution sometimes. And he had done a lot of things, which in this short video, I don't need to explain because everybody is aware. But whoever is aware, sometimes they don't really appreciate, especially the regional politicians, they don't want to appreciate Modi ji. They only want to take benefit. When the party, Bharatiya Janata Party, is so strong and the vote share has increased, it's a suicide not to go alone in the forthcoming elections. This is all I would say. And my dear friends and viewers and Karyakartas and well-wishers of BJP, I shared this video only to lighten my heart. I am really, really so sad that BJP has aligned with TDP and Janasena with mere 6 or 7 MLAs and 5 MPs. And those also not equally distributed area-wise.